Hey guys, Ashley here, and today we have another unboxing video on our channel. It is the Hoover 2-in-1 floor and vacuum cleaner. I love that it gives you the little display here so you know when to fill up, clean out, and everything like that for the vacuum. And there's a little wash section right there on the top that tells you when you're pushing the trigger that you are washing and using water. And then you can put it on the self-cleaning mode, which goes on the tray and it cleans itself. It's a 90-second mode, so do make sure you have water left over in the tank to do the self-cleaning section. It's supposed to be able to get close to the walls, corners, and crevices, which it does. I'm proud to say that. And then it picks up large like debris that's on the floor. It's great at picking up dog hair, human hair, everything, guys. When I tell you I am impressed with this Hoover 2-in-1 vacuum cleaner, I love this product so much. And honestly, I wouldn't be able to do this for you guys, this unboxing of the Hoover vacuum cleaner, if it wasn't for Courtney going to Walmart and finding this bad boy on sale. Originally like $3.24 I think I was seeing online for this guy, at least $3 and change. And Courtney found it on sale for $79 at Walmart, and I would be really stupid to pass that up. And I've been dying for one of these things because I've been extremely busy lately with sports work. Cisco's working, he's helping with sports and everything like that. And yeah. Oh, and I forgot the main reason why I was also obsessed with it besides the display screen is that there is a light on it. So you get the light that shines to help you pick up and see what is on the floor. So you can literally see everything that is on the floor. And then that's the tray you see on the left-hand side of the box that's showing you the photo. That you just throw it on that bad boy, make sure it is plugged in, and you press the self-clean button, and then you're done, and your vacuum's cleaned after that. Obviously, you need to clean out the tanks and everything, like, you know, wash them out, which I do show you everything, which I do show you that later on in the video once I do show you how well the product works on the floor. So not only is it an unboxing, it's also basically a little clean with me. I do clean up a little section. I do not clean like a whole floor or anything like that, which if you guys do subscribe, you will see me using this in future videos. Courtney also has a floor cleaner too, but she can use hers on her area rugs, which is the I think it's Bissell, but I could be wrong, where it's the 4-in-1 where it does laminate, tile, wood, carpets, and everything like that, which you've probably seen if you've already been subscribed on our channel. Now, while unboxing this product, it was a hassle and a half. I did cut out a few scenes, but here we are right here, and I'm just trying to smell it. Ooh, that smells good. Citrus breeze. I like that. Tell me why I thought this was a cup holder. Oh man. Okay, so this is the base. Never like clean. Oh, okay. Tells you self-clean tray. That's pretty cool. Nothing. Oh. Now right here on the handle, they have a little quick start guide. It shows you how to put the handle in, how to remove and fill the water solution tank, and on the other side is how to use the trigger on the handle and how to turn it on. And then it shows you how to use the self-clean section of the vacuum and how long it takes, which is 90 seconds. So here I'm just showing you where the trigger is on this bad boy and the power button right there, which they're all very easy to push. You don't have to push them very hard or anything like that. Like the handle one, like the little trigger right there, I thought it was going to be a little bit tricky to push because it's so small. And usually when it's so small, you kind of got to like jam your fingers in there. But honestly, as easy as it looked right there on the screen, it's as easy as it was to use this. Now, I quickly just want to say, if you guys didn't realize it by now, this is not sponsored. I didn't get gifted this. I used my own money to purchase this product. I wasn't paid to talk about it in a good way or a bad way or anything like that. This is my true review of this product. So I wanted to show you guys that this product is extremely light. I don't know how much it weighs, but it can't be more than 5 pounds, I'm telling you right now. But now I'm just going to give you an overview of everything assembled and opened up and put together. So that's the display area. That square you see is the self-wash button, which you don't see these displayed until you plug it in and using that section of the vacuum. So right here you press down and pull out very easily. This is the water, the dirty water tank. That's the max line for the dirty water. That little red section actually pushes up to let you know, hey, we are filled now, to signal the vacuum to tell you that it's filled on the little display section. So all you have to do is tilt it and push that button, and there you go, it's back in. I did have to push it in a little more, obviously, but I only had one hand and I was trying to record. So the main name of this product is actually Hoover Streamline, just to let you guys know. And look at that, you easily just pop that, you squeeze the two sections, and it reveals the roller. And right here, all you have to do is lightly pull it, and it takes out the roller. And as you guys can see, I'm doing all of this with one hand, and it all is easy to do with one hand. So if you feel like everything is going to be hard and you know, it's just going to be hard for you to operate or take apart and put together, it is not. I'm telling you right now, it's not that hard at all. Everything is so simple and clean and put together on this product. And like I said, they show you how to use everything on this product. I just wanted to show you how nice and fluffy the roller was. And that's the light right there in the front section of the vacuum. And then the little foot section is to show you, hey, put your foot here, and then you can pull the vacuum part back. So that way you can start using the product. When you do put the product straight back up and lock it in place, the roller stops rolling. So that's where you roll the cord and everything like that. I did want to show you guys like close up of the warning signals and whatever was on this product. I wanted to show you guys. Sorry, the baby's watching some videos behind me. So right here is the water solution tank. So this is where you would put the clean water and the cleaning solution into this vacuum slash floor cleaner. Now, just like you did with the front is the same you would do with the back, but you just press it down and take it out. And they show you, and I show you that it's just a sealed flap for the front. So it's very easy to open up. It's not that hard, and it pops right back into place once you are done filling that up. And it shows you how much water to how much solution. So you get two lines on the side of this container here, which you see it right here. It's written in black. It'll say water and then solution. So yeah. And then after that, I just show you what the model number that you see in the back of the vacuum itself. Right here is all the information I've learned from my last unboxing to show you guys this, because I know a lot of people like to get the model number and everything like that. So here it is for you guys. Now I'm just going to pop the water tank solution back into the vacuum, and then we move on to the other products that came in this box, which is the which is the cleaning solution that smells amazing, which I didn't think it was going to smell as good as it did, and not in a bad way. I thought it was going to be your regular clean smell that you normally get with products, like it just smells clean, but this smells clean but like in a fresh way, if that makes any sense. I'm just showing you what they wrote on the back of this product, and then we move on to the tray itself and all the little sections and close-ups and everything. like I said, I like to give you guys, when I'm doing unboxings, I like to give you guys every little detail that they gave me to show you guys here in this video. So what you see here is it says self-cleaning tray, and then that's where you put the filter, and then that's where you put the roller brush. If you guys can see, it kind of shows you written on the tray itself, like what goes where. Like I told you guys, it's amazing. This product literally tells you what to do and where things go. It's amazing. I'm obsessed with this product. And so far, Hoover, you have not disappointed me when it comes to a lot of cleaning products. So props to you guys. And I love Bissell too, because that's what my regular vacuum is, which is a carpet and floor cleaner in one. And Courtney's is the Crosswave Bissell, and she has no complaints about hers either. So Bissell and Hoover is the way to go if you guys are looking for some really good quality products. So here it is. I'm going to show you the product turning on. So what that symbol means on the display means that there is no more water. So I obviously didn't put any water in this product just yet. So once you tap the power button to turn it off, the light will blink a few times and it turns off. But I wanted to show you how easy and how much it swivels and maneuvers very easily. And it sounds very loud on camera, but that's the self-cleaning button. But it sounds very loud on camera, but it's not even as loud as a regular vacuum. So you can literally hold a regular conversation without having to yell at each other. I can hear someone call my name from the other room if that helps you guys out with how quiet this machine is. It's not very loud at all. It just sounds like it on camera because maybe I was very close with the mic. It's not even that loud, right? And then I pull the trigger and it's important to get really close. It's lightweight. It swirls like and then get me close. You can zoom in if you want, getting the black stuff over here. This is the one sticker on it. Can you see the color right there in the corner? Can you see it on camera? Oh, then it will be easier, okay? Alright, so when you pull the trigger, as you guys can see there, it lights up with the word wash. So which means when you pull that trigger, the water is coming out. So as you guys see, he's not pulling the trigger, and the light, comes on and off. I'm actually having my oldest son help me with this video. So he was such a great help, and he honestly wanted to try the product out himself too. And I was like, hey, listen, you're old enough to use this. And so when I'm busy or I need your help around the house, which he does, I mean, I got to yell at him sometimes here and there, but preteens, guys, preteens. Yeah, he wanted to try this vacuum cleaner out himself, and I'd rather him learn now just like I am, so that way he feels comfortable enough to just pick it up and use it and not feel nervous to use the product at all. So I just wanted to give you guys a few close-ups and everything like that of how well the product works and stuff like that. So easy that my 12-year-old can use it and see the dirty water. Like I did vacuum the night before, and this is the morning, so just for you guys to show how bad my floors can get within less than a day is pretty nasty. And this is why I really wanted to get this floor cleaner, was because it's a 2-in-1 and it knocks everything out, and it can keep the house cleaner, not sooner, more often. There we go. My brain sometimes doesn't compute with my mouth. So yeah, I wanted him to try and use this too as well. So if you got some preteens and stuff like that, it's as easy for them to use it too. Like I said, it's lightweight for anybody to use. I mean anybody. I even had my father try it, and he has a bad back, and it was easy for him to also use. Like I said, I love this product. I have nothing honestly right now or I probably won't honestly have anything negative to say about this product, guys. So if you guys are thinking about getting one, buy one. I'm telling you right now. So here I am. I'm just going to show you guys how the self-cleaning works on this bad boy. Make sure it is plugged in and make sure you do have water left in the tank. Oh, wow. Looks brand new. Now I am just going to rinse everything off with some hot water. Just because everything is plastic, it will slide right off of this bad boy and it makes cleanup very easily. So like I said, I'm just going to pop these products out, rinse them off with hot water, get them all clean, and then pop them back in the machine once I am all done. Don't worry, I do show you the process of me doing that and how easy it is to clean these products. And I also give you a view of the water being dumped to show you how dirty the water got just from that small section of my living room. I do want to say thank you so much for joining me today and watching my unboxing of the Hoover 2-in-1 Streamline floor cleaner. And if you did enjoy it, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't yet, please subscribe, as that will help our channel grow. And for anybody new here, I do share this channel with my twin sister Courtney, so you get 2 different houses on one channel. So that's 2 uploads per week. So stay tuned for Courtney's video coming up in just a couple days, which is on Saturday. So I'm done talking your guys' ear off. I've done it the whole video. No music, which I'm pretty proud of myself for that one. But I spoke too soon because actually I am going to play some music to finish off this video. So that way you guys can just enjoy the process of me just cleaning it out and putting everything back. All right. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.